Halloween. I'm going to be Hermione Granger. If any of you read or watch Harry Potter, you must know her. Well, if any of you are wondering what this is, it's a broom for Hermione Granger, but I'll finish it off later. I'm going to finish my broom later because I need to prepare my wand, which will make my broom fly. To make a magic wand, you need a twig from anywhere. My one's from my backyard. This twig belongs to a birch tree. I'm going to add a rose to make my one extra prettier, so I don't get confused which way the power starts and ends, because one's Ron Weasley by accident cursed himself. And again, Ron Weasley is another Harry Potter actor. To make a rose, you need 3 different sizes of petals. To make a rose, you need 3 different sizes of heart shapes cut out of a paper. You can add as many colors and as many petals as you wish. Now I'm making a rose. First start with a small, medium, then large. Now I'm gluing my petals to my wand. Here's my first petal and I'm done. Now keep on repeating that step. If you want, you could curl your petals like this. Put the stick diagonally and then curl it the way, if it's folded this way, curl it the opposite way and curl it diagonally. Now I'm adding the middle petals. Now I'm adding the large petals. After you're done, press the bottom to make the petals secure. Now your magic wand is done. Now it's time to check if my magic wand works and finish my broom. Random Leviosa. Now my broom's ready to fly.